Mercedes W463 G Wagon. I had a 2x4 that I was carrying whip up and hit this switch on my overhead console and broke the little retaining pin, so I'm going to have to take this off in order to fix it. And that's quite simply done. Get a plastic pry tool right in the back in the center of the main dome light. Pop that out. I already pulled the bulb out. So now there's two little white tabs here. Pull it back, and while you're pulling back on that, pull it down on the front. And one-handed is not easy. So you pull back on this tab and pull down on the front. Yeah. Pull back on the tab. Reach up. I'm just going to do this with the other camera hand. It's tight in there, but it does come out. Okay, there's one side. Back on the tab. It pulls out. Okay. And then slide it backwards. See the little feet there that slide forward and lock it into there. And now just disconnect the wires and work on whatever you're going to be working on. If you want to change, this is also how you change your bulbs for the map lights. I'm going to change these over to LED while I'm in here, and the main dome light I'm going to change over. I'll show you what that looks like when it's done, but my main concern is this switch here, because it will not stay up. Okay, button all fixed. I did not change any of these to LEDs because I didn't have any LED bulbs to fit these ones when they were out. They're God, I can't think. They're 194, but they were short, and all the LED bulbs I have are too long to fit in there, and the ones I do have that are too short weren't bright enough. And I didn't even bother changing the middle one, because I'm going to change them. I'm going to change them all. I can do it at a later date. This one's really, really easy to take off. Sorry, turn that off. This overhead panel is easy to take off. So, yeah. And that's it. SOS button fixed. Happy. Thanks for watching.